Looking to upgrade your car with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without replacing your factory stereo? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best portable CarPlay screens you can buy in 2026. Whether you want navigation, streaming apps, dash cam recording, or backup camera support, there's something here for every driver. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. LAMTTO upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. Taking the top spot is the LAMTTO upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This model stands out because it combines traditional CarPlay functionality with built-in streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube. That means passengers can enjoy entertainment during road trips without relying entirely on phone mirroring. It also includes navigation, voice assistant support, and a backup camera. The larger display provides excellent visibility, and the all-in-one entertainment system makes it one of the most versatile options available. Pros: built-in Netflix and YouTube, large immersive screen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, great for entertainment and navigation. If you want the most complete CarPlay screen experience with entertainment, navigation, and convenience, this is the best pick overall. Number 2. 11-inch extra-large wireless Apple CarPlay screen. This ultra-slim CarPlay screen combines a sleek design with practical features. It's just 0.16 inches thin. It's one of the cleanest-looking options for modern dashboards. It includes wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, a 4K dash cam, and a 1080p backup camera. Voice control support makes hands-free operation easy, while GPS and Mirror Link add flexibility. Pros: ultra-slim premium design, large 11-inch display, 4K dash cam included, easy voice controls. A stylish and feature-packed option for drivers who prioritize design and recording. Number 3. LAMTTO 11-inch AI CarPlay screen. The LAMTTO AI CarPlay screen is one of the more advanced options on this list. It supports downloadable apps via Google Play and includes Gemini AI integration for smarter voice commands. Its 60 FPS display creates smoother animations and transitions compared to standard displays, making navigation and video playback feel more fluid. It also supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a backup camera and DVR. Pros: AI voice assistant integration, smooth 60 FPS display, app download supported, strong performance. A strong all-around choice for drivers who want speed, entertainment, and smart features. Number 4. 11-inch AI CarPlay screen with full Google Play access. This model takes things further by offering full Google Play app support, which means you can install streaming apps, navigation apps, and productivity tools directly on the device. It features an 8-core processor for faster performance and smoother multitasking, plus built-in GPS for independent navigation. The 1920 by 720 IPS display delivers sharp visuals, and the included DVR backup camera improves safety. Pros: full Google Play Store support, fast 8-core performance, sharp IPS display, built-in GPS. Perfect for users who want more than basic CarPlay and prefer app freedom. Number 5. Portable Apple CarPlay screen, 10-inch. This 10-inch portable CarPlay screen is a solid entry-level option for drivers who want modern infotainment without spending too much. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to connect your smartphone for maps, calls, music, and messages. It also includes a built-in 4K dash cam and a 1080p backup camera, which adds extra value for safety and recording. The touch response is smooth, and Mirror Link support lets you display compatible apps directly from your phone. Pros: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in 4K dash cam, includes backup camera, good value for money. A great budget-friendly option for anyone wanting essential CarPlay features plus recording capabilities. So that was our list of the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026. If you want the best overall, go with the LAMTTO upgraded 11-inch. If you're on a budget, the 10-inch portable model offers excellent value. Check the links in the description for current prices and deals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews.